Hi everyone, thanks for dropping by my YouTube channel today. On my workbench this evening I have a exhaust fan, a used one, from a Breckwell brand pellet stove controller. I had this fan on sale on eBay and this evening Mark purchased it. So Mark, I want to thank you very much for doing that. Before I ship it, I want to take the time to make a few tests of it to make sure that it works correctly and that Mark is happy with his purchase. So I'll just light up the interior of the fan right now and we'll see that it's used, but it still has a nice running impeller on it. Everything is sturdy, everything's in good condition, so nothing wrong with it there. If I go ahead and turn it on, let me spin it up for a little bit. You see that I put a flag on here in pink, so you can see that the flag is getting air. There's lots of air coming out of it. It's not excessively noisy considering that it's on an open bench right now. So this is a good functioning fan. It has a strong motor on it and strong airflow. I'll be quiet for a little bit here just so you can hear the sound of the motor running, just to show that it's not excessively noisy. So there it is, no loud noise, no squealing, no squeaking, nothing. Let me turn that off. And I'll turn it on once again so we can have another look at it, at its startup sequence. Alright Mark, there it is, a fully functioning fan. I'm going to include with it a couple pairs of crimp connectors for the electrical wiring, just in case those on this fan don't match what you have in your stove. And I'll also include the old baffle that goes on here for the exhaust piece. I don't know if you need that, but there's not much value in me holding on to that. So I'll include it in the package. If you don't want it, that's fine, you can toss it. Otherwise, it might come in handy at some point in the future. Once again, Mark, thank you very much for purchasing this from me. I appreciate it. Just know that I also do pellet stove controller repairs. I do a lot of Breckwells. So if you or any of the other viewers out there have a need to have a pellet stove controller repaired, check out my other YouTube videos and give me a contact. My contact information can be found in the video description down below. In the meantime, please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and consider subscribing to my channel. I would appreciate that very much. Thanks everyone. Bye bye.